Tuesday morning, meteorologist Doug Heady. I want to update you on what we're going to have over the next few days, plus your month-long forecast, of course, looking through the month of September, if you can believe it or not. It's already September. First off, most of this week we're going to be dealing with tropical moisture, and this is due to Tropical Storm Gordon, which is very possibly by this evening, as it makes landfall, could become a low-grade hurricane. But again, this is with the pattern, which we're going to be talking about the month-long forecast. I made a hurricane forecast or a tropical forecast way back several months ago in the late winter, early spring, and this directly correlates with Hurricane Nate of last year, Tropical Storm Alberto that we had back at the end of May, and then this one 2 cycles later, right in the exact same spot as both of those. So this should be here. This is doing exactly what it is supposed to do. But we're going to watch the moisture. Look how the moisture lifts off toward the north and to the west. So it gives us scattered showers and thunderstorms just about each and every day. Let's go ahead and step through Tuesday. You can see in the morning thunderstorms to our west, but during the afternoon with the heating of the day, we'll see isolated storms. Out there, I really think 70% of us will stay dry, but still something we're going to watch. High temp of 86, so really not that bad. And then again, we're going to have scattered thunderstorms actually increasing as we work through the week. Temperatures slowly stepping down to about 82 on Saturday. You can see the thunderstorms each and every day. Thursday and Friday will be our best shot, and then a slight chance again early next week. So let's break down quickly what should we get? What's going on with the pattern? Well, if you notice, May was hot. It was dry. June was hot. It was dry. July was hot. It was dry. August, not so bad. And it was wet. We had 7 inches of rain. That's because the new pattern is morphing into the new stage. We actually have, right about the 3rd week of September, so here in about 3 weeks is when the new pattern is fully set. So when I say pattern, that's how storm systems react. Now, within the pattern, there's a cycle length of how long does each day correlate with another. This past year's been 47 days. I have to be very careful not to give away the new cycle length, but I do know it. I've known it for about a month now, and actually it's pretty evident. But a much wetter pattern for this next year. We're going to have more snow as we head into the winter months. So let's go into next week. We will have slight chances for rain, and severe threat is low. When I put a 2, we're looking at a scale of really 0 to 10. So if you get closer to 10, severe threat's much higher. Lower number is not as high, but scattered storms Monday and Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. Now, when I say warm, we're talking mainly 80s for highs, and we're going to see this on the 3rd week as well. Mainly 80s for highs. We'll have a few thunderstorms on that Tuesday, and then again Friday and Saturday. You can see the severe threat starts to increase just a bit as we head into that weekend. Let's go into the last week, mainly mild, so we're talking about 65 to about 79. We'll have a couple days with 60s and then 70s for highs. And again, another severe threat as we head into Friday and Saturday. Pretty big storm system is going to roll in by the beginning of October, and I think that's going to give us a pretty significant drop in temperature during the 1st week of October. Much more to come on that as we work through the next few weeks. Make sure you have a great Tuesday.